Hello friend, welcome back. How can we use TestCase Studio in incognito mode? Nothing special required for TestCase Studio. It will be the standard setting which is required for any out plugin out there. Uh, like if you have to use any plugin in incognito mode, this setting will be required, which I'm going to show you guys. So this is basically an standard solution. Just a single step is required. Like right now, this is a normal window. If you want to use in normal window, you just click on the test case studio logo here and this opens. After that, like if you perform any action, if you click anywhere, that used to record it in the test case studio like this. Okay. So now we want to use this in incognito mode. So let me open incognito mode. Like you can do it through keyboard shortcut or this way. So here you see that there is no test case studio logo here. Like if you open any website here, that logo is not here, right? So how can we get that here in incognito window? So what you have to do, just a simple step is required. Right click on this test case studio logo, there you click on manage extension. The same process is required for any other plugin guys, not just for TestCase Studio. If you are using SelectorsHub, you want to use in incognito mode, you can follow the same steps. Right click on the logo, click on manage extension. Now we are here on this window. Here you will see that allow in incognito toggle is turned off, allow access to file URLs turn off. Okay, so we want to use it in incognito. So right now it is off, so that is the reason we are not able to see it here in incognito. We want to see it there. So what you do, let me just close this one. What you have to do here, just click on this, and now you see that you will find the test case studio button here. So after adding it here, now what we can do, let's say open any website. Suppose we open it again and we want to use it here. Click on this and you can start your testing. Like let's say we click on courses, and then we click on Udemy course based on SelectorsHub training, and you see that here all the steps has been recorded. So this is how you can use TestCase Studio in incognito mode. Great. Now suppose you want to use TestCase Studio for your local files as well, local HTML files. So what does it mean, like local HTML files? Because when you open any website, let's say google.com or any website like Flipkart, any web application you open, there it used to work fine. What if we want to use this for let's say for local files, local HTML files? So in that case, how can we use this in for how can we use this for local HTML file? Like here this is a file, local file. Like you see that this is in my system, this is not a web application, right? So if we want to use this here, let me open TestCase Studio. Let's close this one, this was open in incognito. Turn on this. Okay, now I have opened. If I perform any action, like I clicked on optimize, okay, so let's see if that got recorded. It is not getting recorded here. Like TestCase Studio is not able to capture the actions which are performed on local HTML files. So how can we do that? Let's close this. So there is a toggle here, you see that allow access to file URLs. So if you turn on this one, now we would be able to record those as well, which are like we would be able to uh, use TestCase Studio for local HTML files as well. So what you have to do now let's open this file, local file. Let's close all this and we will open TestCase Studio here. And now you see that if we will click on this optimize or any action we will perform in this local HTML file, that will be recorded here. You see that now it is recorded. So this is how you can use TestCase Studio for local HTML file as well as in incognito mode. What you have to do, you just have to turn on these two toggles, which will be by default off. So this is TestCase Studio. So you just have to right click and click on manage extension, and that's where there you will find those two toggles, allow in incognito, allow access to file URLs. So this is how you can use the TestCase Studio in incognito mode. I hope you like this quick tip, and definitely this will help you guys a lot in your testing. And do let me know if you want to if you are facing any issue, or if you want me to create tutorial for any specific scenario. And let me know how much time and how which feature you like about test case studio most. If you haven't checked out the detailed tutorial about test case studio for all its feature to save more time, please do check out that. I will leave the detailed tutorial link in the description. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and like and share. Thank you so much.